Hello guys, welcome back, and we'll continue to work with our root account. So on the previous video we enabled multi-factor authenticator for the root account, and let's see what else do we need to do to be 100% secure. So the next one, we need to create the IAM user, and basically this is the user which we will use to work against our account. So because, as I mentioned before, using the root user for speed up the AWS resources is not like the best practice, and you can see that in AWS telling us that they do not use your root account for day-to-day interaction. So in that case, we just click to manage user, and there is no user here, so let's click add user, and let's name it as cloud in action admin. And we need to provide access type. There is actually two access types. One is programmatical access, and another one access through console. We need both for admin, and we will use after generated password. Okay, so or you can use a custom password and provide your custom password for this user. Also, there is an option that if you use any of the password, the user will, for the first login, user will need to recreate this password, but it's usually it's usually something like this, because it's a generated password, and once user would like to log in, he needs to recreate and provide his own password. So yeah, let's continue. One couple of questions about programmatical access. Programmatical access is actually a very helpful thing. We will go further with this. This is needed because sometimes you need to do automatically jobs running on AWS. So you don't need to just go to the console, click here, click there. You can just set up the script and run the script, and to allow the script is running, you will need to provide some permissions, and this permissions names access key ID and secret access key. So let's go click next. Because this user will be as an administrator, and probably we will need some other users who would like to be also the administrator. So let's, in parallel, let's create the group cloud in action admin, and attach the administrator access to this group. So let's create, and then let's provide the tags. So for tags, it's basically important things, because you can use the tags to identify your resources or identify some activities. So it's actually a very big topic how to use the tags, but let's keep it for now simple, so we will not put any tags. So yeah, there is review what we are going to do, and then we just click create user. So user is created, we have access key. I'm not going to show you the secret key and password. So what you need to do, you just need to click to download CSV file, save file, and inside of the file you will have all this information. So that's basically it. Let's close this, and now we have our user, which is admin. So what I'm going to do today, after that, I'm going to open the Excel file, and I'm going to use the password to log in. as this user. So let me just do sign on from the root. Now we need to log in back, and you see right now we are not going to use root user, we are going to use IAM user. But to use IAM user, I need to provide some credentials. I mean some not credentials. I need to provide account ID for this IAM user. So let me open this into separate account. Oops. Okay. So this is my account ID, and I need to provide this user, and I need to provide the password for this user. And as you remember, this is temporary password. And you see it's starting to suggest me to change the password, and of course I'm going to change this to something different. Just like this. And now we will save this. Okay, so that's it. Right now you can see that we are using cloud in action admin user, and this is not our root user. And if we go to IAM, we will see that we created the individual user, and we use groups to assign the permissions, because we created this one group, cloud action admin, where we have only one user. But only one thing is left. This is apply IAM password policy. And to do this, let me switch to another user and save another video. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe and enjoy this video.